Hi everyone, welcome to Cook with Lynn. It seems many of you liked my fish and noodle soup. Today I'm going to make you another easy fish soup with mushrooms. Did I say easy? Yes. Let's get started. Let's start with three things we always use, right, for fish. Green onions, separate white part and green part. And there's a green part for garnish, as Lynn always say, right? White part for flavor. And I have a piece of ginger, slice it. 2 cloves garlic, slice it. I took 2 dried mushrooms, shiitake mushrooms. Here's dry ones. You see how hard they are? Now they are soft. Don't discard the water we're going to use for the soup. So just remove the end, very hard, and cut into slices. Here's baby bella mushrooms and button mushrooms. The reason we use a few kinds of mushrooms because they're going to add to the complexity. For the fish, today I'm going to use a cod fillet. You can use any other fillet of your choice. The cod fish, very flaky, tender, a little sweet. So we just cut into bite size. Half like that and like that. To season the fish, we add a little bit of salt and white pepper powder. If you have cooking wine, it's a Shaoxing cooking wine, add a little bit. If you don't have it, you may add a little bit chicken bouillon or just skip it. Now we are ready to cook. We heat up some oil on medium-high heat and we'll saute our green onion, ginger, and garlic. For about 20 seconds. Now turn heat to high, add our mushrooms. Cook about a minute. Now we add our mushroom water, remember? That's about 2 cups, a little bit more water. Just over 3 cups. Now the soup is boiling. It's turned on to medium low and cover it. Let's simmer about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, let's open up our soup. Now turn the heat up. We'll season with a little bit of salt and chicken bouillon. No MSG added, okay? It's about a half teaspoon, not too much. Now we are ready to add the fish. Let this cook about another 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, our soup almost ready. I'm gonna add some white pepper powder. Mix it. And we garnish with some green onions. Just a little bit of salt. And our soup is ready. Such easy and healthy soup, isn't it?
Looks great.
Wow. Cheers.
Cheers. Wow. That's so good.
Isn't it? The mushrooms were earthy but very umami rich. And the fish, let me try the fish.
Wow, that's really good.
The fish very tender, cod is very flaky. Such easy and healthy soup. Please try to make it. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.